Welcome everyone! As you are watching this video, we assume that you have learned something about the Food Integrity project. In the next minute, we hope to help you to get a deeper look into our works so that you can see who we are and what we have done, and how our project can help you protecting your business, your work, or your food directly from frauds, and strengthening the European food supply chain and assuring the circulation of authentic and reliable products. When applied to items or materials, the term integrity refers to the state of being whole, entire, undiminished or in perfect conditions. That is how we want our food to be, wholesome and safe. That was the ultimate goal of the project, and that is why we have worked together on many fronts to prevent and counteract a quite dangerous threat that affects food industry on several levels: food fraud. Food fraud can be described as the deliberate placing on the market, for financial gain mainly, of foods which are falsely described or otherwise intended to deceive the consumer. Frauds can occur at different stages of the food industry chain and concern several kinds of products which might be substituted or adulterated with materials of lower commercial value, artificial substances, or undeclared animal or plant species. In other words, frauds compromise the authenticity of food in terms of nature, substance, and quality expected by the purchaser. Food Integrity started in 2014 as a project funded by the European Commission. It involved universities, food companies, laboratories and public authorities from more than 20 different countries inside and outside the Union. The key objectives were to consolidate, harmonize and mobilize the European capability for food authentication and prevent frauds, in order to strengthen the reliability of the supply chain and encourage the consumer confidence. Through these years, we have studied and developed analytical methods and instruments able to protect specific products which are particularly exposed to frauds and assure their safety and authenticity. If you're looking for information about how to keep your products safe and authentic, subscribe to our project website and browse our databases, the Knowledge Base and the Food Integrity Network. You can use the first one to find the right analytical strategies to use on your product in order to prevent any specific issues. The second will tell you which organization or authorities in your country can help you performing them. Sharing knowledge on these techniques is one of our major aims, not only about the methods, but also about the ways to use them and put them together to achieve the most reliable results. For instance, the tools we develop can provide information about targeted analysis, able to reveal the presence of specific markers, which are substances that allow us to detect specific frauds or contamination issues. And at the same time, untargeted analysis, which can see the whole composition of a sample and the ways to combine them together in order to control the product in an overall most and accurate way. A complete set of infographics concerning foods, risk analysis and specific case studies is also available online, as well as our guidelines. These guidelines will describe the procedures that any company can adopt to prevent and counteract frauds through the whole supply chain. Whether you need to defend the quality of your products against frauds by legal means, you can rely on the results of our studies on analysis and safety issues. We managed to provide scientific opinions that can be used as a point of reference by forensic scientists. Finally, we have also laid a set of guidelines that stakeholders can follow to assure quality, safety, and authenticity throughout the whole supply chain. Besides providing stakeholders and operators with materials accessible for immediate use, we wanted to achieve long-term benefits for them and for everyone in the field. That is why we have put so much effort in dissemination activities, conferences and periodic classes dedicated to researchers and operators who wanted to access to the latest updates about every themes of interest from a cross-disciplinary point of view that brought together analytical chemistry, quality management, marketing and economic science as well. Our studies and activities were also aimed at providing the competent authorities with reliable materials, able to help them as they write and enact new, improved food safety laws and regulations. Protecting the authenticity of food is more than a legal obligation. It is about offering your consumers a guarantee of safety, quality, and health and taste. It is about preserving the tradition and food culture of your company, your trade and your region, and giving your product more economic and ethical value. It is about strengthening the trust that consumers place in your business. We can help you with all this. Browse our website and our database to gather more information. Watch our tutorials, videos, and get what you can know your new tools as well. The Food Integrity team welcomes you. With the cooperation of industries, we can fight food frauds even better and all together.